Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. Today I've got for you Aprilia Tuono V4. This is the 1000 and it is the APRC model. Absolutely lovely. It's had a ton of money spent on it. It's super clean. We'll give you a talk through it. So it's got the larger screen. It's got the R&G LED indicators. Got some Samco hoses put on there. R&G crash protection. Virtually brand spanking new Metzeler tyres on. And it's got the lovely ASV adjustable levers. And the Arrow exhaust, which sounds incredible, we'll come to that, and a tail tidy. Really is nice, is this. 2014 on a 64, done 9,417 miles. I'll give it a start. I don't think the camera will do that justice. It honestly sounds absolutely fantastic. So, coming down to Jordanbikes, have a look and a listen for yourself or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.